Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to explain algorithm number 2. In last video I have explained algorithm number 1. So let's come to this topic, that write an algorithm to find the square of a number. So firstly, square of a number, if you are calculating square of a number, it means you need to multiply that particular number 2 times. So here we will start algorithm with start. So first step 1 will be start, and then step 2 read n1. N1 is the name of variable that we have given to assign the numeric constant, that is number. Next is s equals to n1 into n1. It means we have multiplied number twice and the answer is stored in s variable. You can also take variable name sum, it's up to you. Then print the answer, that is s, and then stop. Now come to next topic, that is flowchart. So firstly, let's understand what's flowchart. So a flowchart is a graphical or pictorial representation of the logic to solve a particular problem. It is simple to draw and understand. So we use here these different types of shapes to draw a flowchart. So firstly, let's understand what is the use of these different shapes in a flowchart. So first one is start stop box. An oval represents the beginning and end of the flowchart. So it is used in the end and beginning of every flowchart. Next one is parallelogram. So it is input output box and represent the instruction to take input and give output. Next one is processing box. It looks like rectangle and it represents a processing of instructions. It may be assigning the values plus, minus, multiply, or logical implementation of logical operators. Next one is this diamond shape. It is decision box and it is used to choose the options between yes or no. When there is condition, we will use this diamond box. These are flow lines and these are arrowhead indicates the direction of flow of data in the and instructions in the flow chart. Next one is connectors. So a circle is used to connect different parts of flow charts together on the same page or on different pages. So if your flow chart is little bit lengthy, so you can use these connectors to connect the different flow charts on same page also and different page also. It is always used in pairs while drawing the flow chart. So these are used in pairs. If you have once used at the end, so you will use it at the starting of next flow chart also. Next one, there are some rules to draw flow chart. These are the direction of flow chart is either from top, bottom, left to right. It cannot be northeast, northwest. It should be in 4 directions. Flow lines are used to indicate the direction of the flow of steps, and a flow chart should have only one start stop box. In a flow chart you can draw only one start and one stop box. Now come to the pop-up. To make sure that 2 flow lines should exit the decision box, whereas only one flow line should enter into a decision box. So we will understand this statement later. So you can use here, see here in a decision box, this statement I am explaining, only one flow line should enter, and our exit of flow line should be 2 only, because there will be only 2 decisions, yes or no. Next one is flowchart structures. So there will be 2 types of structures. In general, 3 basic structures are used to draw a flowchart for a problem solving process. So these 3 types of structures are, first one is sequence. So here process. It means in sequence the flowchart direction of data will be only in one direction. In conditional flowchart there will be conditions, there will be question, that answer may be in yes or no. Or in loop there will be a repetition of steps until the particular condition will be true. So in this video I have explained different types of flowchart structures, algorithm, and use of flowchart shapes. In next video I will explain different types of flowchart. Hope you understand very properly. If you have any doubt, you can drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you.